having different page names and navigation bar terms. You generally keep the name for your web page short because it is the name that will appear in the navigation bar. However, there are times when you want to make a richer name, and there is a way to do that and still keep your navigation bar short. To disconnect the page name and the navigation bar, you would go up under the gear icon and go to Page Settings. You would uncheck the Show Page Title and then click Save. You no longer have a heading now, and you might want to improve your web page. One way to do that is to go to the Edit Page icon, and then, I scroll down a little bit, put in one of the pre-formatted headings. Now you want to be a little bit careful. Right now my insertion point is right in front of this paragraph, and if I click Format and go into a nice heading now, you'll see that it actually formatted my whole page here. So let me go back to Format, and let's clear that formatting, or either go back to my normal paragraph text and find other ways that I can put in a heading. Now you will notice something. The heading appears to still be here. Yes, my page has that heading, but it just won't show up when it's actually saved. Right now it's not saved. I'm in the edit mode. So I'm going back to the insertion area, and I just clicked down once, and now I'm using my mouse. I'm moving up, and my insertion point is in front of my text. Now I'm going up to Format, and I'll pick a heading 2. That's a large heading, and I will now call it How I Conduct My Class. And you would put in whatever heading you wanted, but it no longer has to align with a short heading that might appear in the navigation bar. The page still actually has that name, so you'll see when I click Save, I no longer have that long name showing up, the short name showing up, but I have the more descriptive name that I put in. The particular font that you're seeing here is a result of the theme I've chosen. If you didn't like that, you would go back under changing your themes and make a modification there. But this is the way you can unbundle the short names in your navigation bar from longer names that you might want on your website. You can keep your navigation terms short and still have rich descriptive names on your web page.